today we are playing Bad Pig from the Angry Birds series. I think we're gonna try and build stuff and escape for some reason. I'm not sure, but let's see if this works. Checking assist. What does that mean? What does that mean? No one knows what that means. Anyways, I'll be right back when it starts.
Much later.
I think we're here. Anyways, play now. Angry Birds 2. And no thank you. And not right now. We are playing this right now. Thank you very much. Bad Pigs. Let's go. Is the music too loud? I'll see later, because when I edit, I realize that the music is too loud. But I do lower it. But let's see if I can lower it even more here. Usually I can silence it or not. Is that better? Or is this better? You know what? I'll leave it like this for the first episode. And when we play another one, we'll see what happens, Okay, let's play. I can do this. I believe in myself. Groundhog Day, rise and shine. When pigs fly. When pig fly. Flight on the night. I see. Let's play this one first. It looks like it's the right one to go off. Anyways, let's start. Story. Okay. Oh, stealing the eggs. Is that what we're gonna try to do? Oh, the plan. Destroyed. No. Oh dear. And then what? Are we trying to get the pieces together? Yes, we are. We're trying to. Can you not memorize it? Guys, can you not memorize it? Seriously? Okay, we have 3 items. No, thank you. I'm fine. Okay, where should the pigs go? Probably there, no? And at the front, probably the best. Yeah. Do you think that'll work, or do you think? I think it goes simple at the start. Yeah, simple at the start. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ali. Go. Go. Ooh, I missed it. What? No. Can we try that again? 3 stars. I want to try it one more time. Please. I want to see if we can, get all the mysteries and stuff. If there's an ad, I might flip. Okay, there's an ad. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, we're back. Anyways, restart please. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to restart. This game usually probably has a lot of ads because it is a mobile game. Anyways, how can I make sure that I get that? Because I can't go any higher. What the hell do I do? Oh, man. What do I do? I want this higher, but I can't. Okay, what shall I do? Ooh, I know. No. You move that. Like that? No. Well, I suppose you could do that. I wonder if that'll work. We'll see. Let's go. I don't think that was the more likely to get down. How do you get that? And we can go into the next level. Please. How do I get that? Do I have to time it or something? Let's see if we get a clue and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, if I do this, I wonder if I can get it. Because it's impractical, but it could work. My guy. No! Was it too heavy? I still did it, so I don't understand. One more go, because I want to see if we put him behind the driving wheel, See if that works. I'm putting you here. And voila, go, 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 go. Let's see if that works. No, it was so close. If you come back to that. Oh well, we'll come back. What else can you do? You know what? One more. I think I can do it. I have an idea in my head and what we could do. An ad. I'll be right back. And one more. Come on. I believe in myself this time. But I don't know how I'll balance, but... What do you think, guys? What do you think? Or... What do you think, guys? What do you think? Will this work? Because I don't know if this will move. I don't think that'll move anywhere. So I think this is the right move for us. Yeah. Shit. It's not moving now. Come on. Is there no boost or something? Wait, it was gonna move. Wait. Let it sit for a bit, you know? Let it sit for a bit. Oh, there we go, but still didn't catch it. So I'm gonna assume you know what? Move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. I don't know what the hell we could do to get that. Seriously. We'll come back to it. Anyways. We'll go like this. I suppose we can come back to that later on. We got this. They did teach us to make it 4. Not making boring. Make it like this. Make it like that. Make that like that. And you can put the pumps. What would that do? Better not. Okay. What if I go like that? No. Can you do that? Will that attach? Will it not? Oh no. It will not attach. But that'll work. Let's go! You don't need the other wheel. Let's go! There's a TNT there. I get it. Oh, can we retry that, please? Oh wait, why was there an ad on that one and the other one hasn't? Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I don't know what the hell that did. I don't think it did anything. What did that do? Huh? Why are we not moving? Okay. And that was accident click, okay? That was accidental click. Okay, that does not work. We get it. Put that there. Put that back. You. There for now. Put that there. Put that there. So can we put that there? Yes! Put that there. So there's that. Let's go. Yeah! Oh, oops. Yeah! We did it. We tried that one. We'll do it like how they should do it. It does the job. I don't get why we don't get 3 stars. Not fair, really. Very not fair. Put that there, and put that there. Put that there. Okay, let's go. Lego. We go. break, so you end up there. Do we get like upgrades later on or something? Is something not adding up? Or do you like go there first and then go back up? Maybe. No. Because that's the end finish line. Wait, where are we going? I didn't see that. I think there was somewhere down here, I think. Okay. No, I can't do that. And I'm gonna have to push through here, so maybe I'm gonna have to put it here, put it here, put it here, put my guy here. See if that works. Yeah? Where's it not going? Guess we're not allowed to go that way? But it's obviously allowed! Look! There's a crevice! Come on! Let me try that. Let's see if this works. Lighter. Yeah. Yeah. I get it. What's that? Double your rewards. What's that? What is that? Ooh. Your hat went in a hole. Okay. I'm gonna have to find it for you. Got you, my G. Understood. Understood. How do you get the star on top? Ooh, oh my god! We have fans. That's nice. Right here? Can we do this? What would that do? What would that do? Put one here. Put one here. Can we put one here? Will that go down or will that go up? Here. Or do we need momentum, perhaps? Where the hell did TNT go? Oh my god, we can put it there. For some reason. I want to put it here though. I want to see where that goes. Oh no, it does not move. It does not move. Never mind. Never mind. Put that there. Yeah. Put that there. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Is that right? Ooh. Ooh. Could I perhaps go over that? Wait, so I can't fly over it? I'm sorry, what? Yeah, I get that. Yeah, I understood that. What? Why won't that fly though? Do we have to use the TNT maybe? Let's try. What's the point of the TNT? It doesn't mean anything. It blows you up! It blows you up! Anyways, let's put that there. Put that in the middle. See if that'll do something. Put that there. There. Did that work? Put that there too. So it's balanced. Yeah. Well, that's gone. What do I do so that keeps it there? Like I can keep going. It's too heavy. Something's too heavy. No, thank you. I'm cool. What do I do? Move you there. Can I perhaps do that? Wait, maybe I have to go down. Genius? Genius, you think? Genius, do you think? Yes. Go. Yes. Genius! Okay, maybe we need a third wheel. It might disappear. It might disappear, but you never know. turn it on at the right time. What? What double blew up? That's not fair. That's not fair. Put that there then. Come on. Oh, come on! Why is this so hard? Am I stupid or something? Okay, fine. I won't put that there. Damn. This is just luck then. So I don't flip over. Okay, let's go. Go. Ah! Maybe we have to go really quickly. Yeah, that's it. We have to go really quickly. Yes! Why did I blow up? That TNT is coming off. Damn you, TNT. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes, better. Maybe I should put the TNT in the back. See? 1 star. How do I get 3 stars? No!
A few moments later.
Okay, let's do this. One more go, I think. We have to use all of the invisible things. I don't know how to fly, but do it like that. But then I can't put the thing, because it'll be like too heavy. It's imagination, your creativity. That doesn't move if I put that there. That goes down and that'll just get destroyed. That can't go there. Use the TNT this time. Yeah, okay, let's go. No, I think we have to just blow up here somehow. Somehow we need to blow up there. Okay. Let's get rid of this then. Put that there. Put that there. Yeah. Okay. TNT, yeah. That's good. Maybe not, considering that blew him too far. What is this? Oh! We can unlock stuff. Interesting. Nice. Fair enough. Anyways, let's go back. What's the lightning thing? Oh. I see. Magnets that can suck up things. We need that. Maybe we need them. Because right now, it's not helping at all. Wait a second. If I put this there. No, but I can't. Can I move this? Oh my god, I can. Without it. Do it without it. I think. Yeah. What that was. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Never mind. It does move it a bit, but it doesn't do much. Put that there. Yeah. Let's go. No, it is. I thought it was gonna launch. Damn this thing. Oh, use it without that? Okay, I get it. At least I can get 2 stars. I can get 2 stars without using the thingy. I can use 2 stars. Yeah. I can use 2 stars. I can do this. Okay, let's go. Place that with that. Okay, let's go. Allez, wiggle. That was so perfect. Like, so perfect. Like, if I did that a bit better, I might have landed that. Can I do that again? At least I got 2 stars this time. Hell yeah. 2 stars. We're winning. We know what to do. Just need less momentum, I think. Oh my god, that was so perfect. Okay. If I put you there, would that make you fly higher, or... Yeah, we'll see. Who knows? It breaks the No. What if I don't put that at all? Yeah. That go slower or faster, do you know? The momentum will carry us. Come on. Yeah. Well, let's put you there this time. Let's go. Momentum. It's great that the momentum moves us instead. Great. Ooh, yes, perfect. Never mind. That was just so perfect last time, okay? Don't know how I did that. Put that there. See if that works. 3 stars! Okay. Nah. The best one was the first one, without this. Maybe we can do that. Slightly heavier. But it could work. Oh. Never mind. Put that there instead then. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Now that doesn't move. Okay. Put that there and there. And maybe there's too much. Yep, there's too much. We need to move it here. Yeah. Wait, can you do that? What? Did not know. That's quite cool, actually. Is that there? Voila! Let's go. That does not move. Fine. Get rid of that. Okay. We probably need to move that further. Yeah. Sure, that's how you know. You know what? Fine. fine. What would that do? That won't move. I got you. Let's go. I think that's how the start went. Anyway, let's just finish this round. Never mind. That did not work. That did not work. I don't know why it didn't work. No. Interesting. That doesn't add. There. Boom. Wow. That was so close. That was so close. Okay. I can do this. But I went. Woo. Yay! I did it! We did it, guys! High five! We did it!
Yes!
We're so good at this, you know? I can't believe that took us that long to actually do this. Okay, good. It wasn't gonna count for us. 3 stars. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Anyways, oh, we haven't done 4. What? Let me do 4 first then.
Emotional, damn it!
Okay, we'll do 4. Let's do 4. But we're sure that we did get a star, no? Yes. Oh, it's a different one. Never mind. Oh. This isn't very... a go, I guess. Yay. Boom. Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, we did it. Guys, we did it. Fantastic. We didn't do it under 4 seconds. What? 1 more go, so can we at least get 3 stars on this one? I don't know why we can't get 3. Maybe we have to move it here. Maybe here. Yeah. Was that under 3 stars? Because I'm pissed off by 3. How could you only get 2? You're literally the number 3! How the hell did I mess this up? Okay. Oh, the other one's there. I got you. This has to go here. This has to go here. This has to go here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Do this. Yes! Now we're stuck. Oops. Maybe we went too far, We overreached. And maybe we can get rid of this. And boom. Yeah, so we don't get stuck. Let's go. Bitch. No! I believe. Okay, we need just slightly a bit more momentum for that one. Come on. Yes! Now we're stuck. How do you expect to leave this place? What? After that, what do we do? I guess we're just gonna... I guess. We do this? Because we technically did get the star. we? Nope. 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 That did not go down as planned. Maybe put this guy here. Yeah, slow but steady. Slow. Yes! We already got the same kill. That's not fair! What? Now then, that's seriously... I technically did get that. Did I not? Not fair. Not fair at all. Oh, we had 2. I did not expect that. We're stupid. Okay, let's go. Was it too big? There we go. We did overachieve. That was too big. There. We do that, okay? It's not too much, is it? Go slow. Yes! Go this way, go this way, go this way. Yeah! No! We did it! I thought so. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you want me to see more games. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!